Okay. All right. Good morning, UCC Sears. I don't know if it's morning where you are. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder out of a 2-liter soda bottle. I know when I'm at home, I spend a lot of time watching the birds out my windows, and we get a lot of different kinds of birds because we have bird feeders. So I thought you might enjoy that too. So the first thing we do, we take an empty soda bottle like this, and I have to cut it with a scissors, which isn't hard, but getting it started is hard. So I'm going to use a knife for that. We'll see if it works. You should probably get help with this. The other things you might be able to do on your own. Gotta twist it around, just poking a little hole here. Takes just a minute. There it goes. All right, now I can put the scissors in and cut. I think. Where's my hole? There it is. Okay. Now you want to make sure you're cutting it pretty far up from the top, about 3 inches at least, so that you've got room for the bird seed. I'm going to cut it across, but not all the way around. Okay, and then I'm going to cut it up the side. I want to make it big enough that the larger birds, like the cardinals, can get in there. Okay, and now we got an opening right here. All right, the next thing we're going to do is take a hole punch. And I'm going to get as far up and over to the side as I can. And make a hole on one side. Can you see that? That works real good. And I'm going to try to get straight across if I can. On the other side, not quite, but I'll do the best I can. That works good. And I'm going to do the same thing down here. Get as far in and over to the side as I can get. As far in and over to the side as I can get over here. These holes I'm going to put sticks through. Now, you can use, I have these wooden skewers, you can use these, but they're too small. They fit too loose in the holes. Yeah, hi! That's my niece. So I found a brand new pencil is just the right size for these holes. You have to poke it in and kind of move it around to get it in, but then it fits real tight. So we're going to poke it through this one side, over to the other side, just to loosen up the holes. Oh, come on, holes. Got it. Okay, that'll make it loose enough. We're going to take some string. You can use yarn, twine, whatever you got. Thread is not strong enough. I'm going to double it up. Cut it off. And put it through the holes. Kind of even it up. And stick that new pencil back through those holes. Try to even it up there. And And there we go. That's going to stabilize it, and I can tie it up and it will hang. Put it on the back side of the pencil so it hangs forward a little bit. And I'm going to tie it up. Kind of as far down as I can get. No, that didn't work. Well, if you're like me, you might need someone to help you tie the knot. But if it doesn't work the first time, we will try it again. I've been having a hard time doing this. There we go. Okay, down here where these other two holes are, I'm going to take 3 of my little skewers and put them together. And this is also to stabilize our bird feeder, but it makes a little perch for the birds to sit on. They like to be careful when they're eating and look around them alike. They want to be close by, but maybe not with their head down in the food. So they can sit real close to it and make sure that there's no hawk or something coming to get them. Okay, and there's our bird feeder. I'll put some bird seed in it. I got over here. A little bit more. It's okay if we spill it. The birds will find it on the ground. I've got a little hanger in my